Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's gone 2:15, so we'd like to make a start. I'm Greg Haig. I'm chairman of PIANC in the UK. I'd like to welcome you all here to the Institution of Civil Engineers for this seminar. My role is a simple one, simply to UK to Beckett, Rankine and to Marico Marine, who have sponsored today's event, and to introduce to you the chairman for the first half of the afternoon, and that is Tim Beckett. He is on the PIANC UK committee. He's been a member of the committee for many years. He's also the UK representative on the Recreational Commission, International Recreational Commission of PIANC. So without further ado, I'll hand you over to Tim. Thank you.
Thank you, Greg. Welcome, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. And it's a pleasure to see so many people here that are not necessarily members of the Institution of Civil Engineers or members of PIANC. And we very much hope that some of you will consider joining PIANC later. PIANC is the Worldwide Society for Waterborne Navigational Infrastructure, and our members include engineers, ecologists, naval architects, and anybody interested in safe navigation. Before we start, I need to give you a couple of housekeeping notes. Could you check your mobile phone is on silent? Don't leave bags unattended at any time. There's no fire practice scheduled, so if the alarm goes off, can you leave the meeting room by the way you came in and up the stairs and out into the street. Members of the IC staff will show you what to do. Before we go any further, I'd just like to David Marks, who was of Marks Barfield Architects, and he died yesterday at the age of 64. David Marks was responsible for things like the London Eye and Millbank Pier on the Thames, and his loss at such a young age is very sad, both for us, for the profession and his family. He was perhaps the engineer's architect in that he liked engineering and liked expressing it, as you'll see in the London Eye. Right, today we're dealing with a very important topic, is what happens when ships meet infrastructure in an uncontrolled manner. This is of great interest, particularly on the Thames at the moment, where we're building more things in the river than perhaps we have done for certainly in my career. We've put together a fascinating collection of speakers to cover the topic from completely different aspects, and I think perhaps first up, to waste no more time, I'll introduce Captain Jay Jones of the Marine Accident Investigation Bureau, who's going to talk to us about some of the lessons he's learned about ships meeting with infrastructure.